Hello, my name is Drake Helton, and I will be discussing the differences in operation between the United States and China in regards to how business is done. To start, I want to talk about how to enter rooms and to shake hands in China. To begin, whenever you enter the room, always have the leader of your party enter the room, as that is their custom over there. In China, is the leader. The hierarchy of the company enters in that order. So the most powerful to the least powerful enter the room in that order. So it is important to not get them confused as to have somebody enter the room first who is not in charge of the particular discussion. With handshakes, they are done in China. However, oftentimes it is something that's not a formal thing. So always wait for them to attempt to shake your hand first before reaching out to them. When it comes to conversation and body language, it's always to be formal and attentive. They're very proper and want things very controlled whenever they are listening to or whenever you are talking to them. Whenever having good conversation, which is important to building a relationship, you must try to avoid politics, as that is not something that they just prefer to discuss in business conversation. But they do very much enjoy discussing China as a whole in the different sections of it and the beauty of it, as well as monuments and other things along those lines. The most important thing to the business operation, however, is building a relationship, which there will be delays in it, as oftentimes deadlines are not necessarily held firm in China, as they are more so worried about building a relationship with other companies to getting deals done. It oftentimes takes a very long time, and they want to see what kind of character you really are. The culture in general is very much so family-oriented in the fact that big meals are often had, and they will typically invite business associates on these big meals with tons of different dishes that you only want to eat a little bit of. It's also important to not leave anything untouched, because they view this as a sign of a rude action. They will also invite you out to drink often, in which they will try to test your ability to handle alcohol as well as the different drinks that they have over in China. And here are my references.